You know, I had a Mr. Beast burger the other day, and I was thinking to myself, I could do better than that. What were you thinking? I was thinking maybe we can turn it into a sushi roll. What do you think? That sounds like a great idea. How would you do that? Let's find out. We're going to go ahead and get our rice going. And here we're going to be using a sushi rice, which is also known as sticky rice. So we're going to be using about a cup of it, standard rice cooking ratios. 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. So let's get that in there. Alright, go ahead and get that started. What we got here is just 80-20 ground beef, just a little over a pound. So we're going to take that out. And all we're going to do here is just cut it into strips. I'm going to take them and just kind of firm them up into the little beef logs here. I'm going to go ahead and give these a cook. And cook this just like you would any other ground beef product. Make sure you get it to temp. So these are about done. If you look at these, I put a nice crust on those to kind of mimic the Mr. Beast burger itself. The Mr. Beast burgers, they're more or less a smash burger. I say more or less because sometimes I've ordered them and they've been fully smashed, and other times not so much. But I think the smash is where he was trying to go with that. So for the veggies for the Mr. Beast burger itself, all it really has on it is chopped white onions. That's at the very bottom of the burger. So that's all we're going to put into the sushi roll. So let's go ahead and get this chopped up. So we're going to go ahead and chop our pickle up. What I like to do is just cut straight down the middle. That's a juicy one right there. And I'll just cut it into slices, just like this. Condiments are simple. It's simply mayo, brown mustard, and ketchup. But I'm going to add a little bit of wasabi to this too, just to give it a little bit extra kick. So let's go ahead and get that mixed up. So I'm going to put about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of mayo. A good helping of brown mustard, ketchup, and wasabi. A little bit goes a long way with that. And I'm just going to transfer everything to my squeeze bottle. This will make it a little bit easier to put them on top of the sushi roll when we're done. And try not to make a mess like I'm doing. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side. Alright, next up is going to be the cheese. Now, Mr. Beast burger does have a cheddar cheese on it, so we're just going to go ahead and do some singles, craft singles here. And we're going to cut these things long ways so they'll fit on our roll. So what I like to do is I'll just stack them up like this and cut them in sections. Not like that. That's all you need. Now that our rice is done, we're going to go ahead and start building our sushi roll. So I went ahead and laid down some plastic wrap. This is going to help us flip it when we after we get the rice and the sesame seeds on the top side of it. So we'll go ahead and start with the seaweed wrap, and you can get these almost anywhere. I got these off of Amazon. Just want to put that on there, and then you want to put your rice. Try and make a nice even coat. Alright. Give it a nice liberal coat of sesame seeds. Alright, now that we have it completed, we can go ahead and put it on a piece of cling wrap and the bamboo rolling mat, and we're going to go ahead and start assembling. Let's go ahead and start with the beef and our pickles, cheese. Just like this. And when you're done, it should look something like this. We got these things sliced and we got them plated. So we're gonna go ahead and finish the garnish. So we're gonna go ahead and put our sauce on here. Like that. Then we're gonna put a little bit of the chopped white onion on there. It does look beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and give these a taste test. The average Joe is not going to use chopsticks. Cheers, folks. Not bad. That's not bad. Definitely got the little bit of the kick of the wasabi in the sauce. I think that's a pretty good fusion. Sushi roll versus Mr. Beast burger. Folks, if you want to try something a little bit different, a little bit unique, impress your friends and family, give this a shot. It's quick, it was easy, doesn't taste half bad either. So, gotta give this an average Joe thumbs up. If you like what you see here, folks, consider hitting like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.